Hey guys, this is Ducky and this is my 20th tutorial. Today we'll be covering expressions. It's going to be quite a long tutorial, so just stick with it. We're going to be looking at powers, division, multiplication, built-in increment and decrement, addition, subtraction, and if then else. We'll also be looking at greater than, and then we'll go into some more complicated stuff in part 2 and part 3. So we're going to go to our new thing. So our label, that's what's going to show up when we mouse over the expression when it's been placed. Placed. Inputs, this is what we're going to wire up our variables to. Okay, so value A, value B. Outputs, these are all this is the answer to any sum, basically. This is what the value that you're going to get from doing something with value A and value B from your input. Okay, so value C is a logical thing. Okay, we're going to use the universal key for the squiggle. Okay, this can be found at above the hash key. This basically means it's checking if it's changed. So value A. Actually, we need increment, inc and dec for this, and value. Get ahead of myself. So squiggle. So shift and hash, inc and so shift and 7, inc. If you just post a variable on its own, it takes it as being equals 1. Okay, so you use this for an on button or something. If you say on, then something equals something. So this is saying if it's being used. So if the value is 1, and if the inc basically is comparing it to whether it's changed. So then that's the then sign. Value plus equals 1, and we want to use a semicolon there. That you use a semicolon anytime you use this then sign, the hash and right arrow. This is just sorry, voice going a bit crazy there. I'll mute my mic while I have to. That's better. I guess you wouldn't want to have heard that. So plus equals 1. Squiggle dec plus dec and dec, then value minus equals 1. Okay, so we're going to use two of those. You'll notice that you can't wire from an output to something else. You can only wire the inputs. So inc goes to the plus button. These are just value 1, no toggle, and that's still value 1. Dec and inc. Oh damn it! Hopefully the button's still there. Yes, as you can see, nothing special there. And decrement that. The A of these screens are going to go to the corresponding chip. If I press plus, it goes down. It goes up. If I press minus, it goes down. Same with these. So it will go below 0 because we haven't set any boundaries, which I'll go over next lesson, next part. Okay, we're going to go to browse expressions, new expressions. This is going to be the universal expression chip. Value A, value B, value C. We're going to use this one called add. Value C, so you have your output first. then equals, so I really can't for the life of me remember what it's called, indicator or something, equals value A plus value B. If we click validate, that will say successfully validated. Value C, if we do value A plus value B equals value C, it won't work. Unexpected symbol equals at line 1. So it has to be value C equals value A plus value B. I have a feeling we're not going to get up to many of these. I'll just sub. We'll use that for subtract. We'll wire these all out after. I'll do if then else later. Multiplication. We use the asterisk key, so shift and 8. Division. We use the / key. Power. We use the universal power. Power key, which is shift and 6, the up arrow, and change that to power. Because I'm running out of time, I forgot to change these. I'll do it. Mul and div. Running out of time here, thanks to YouTube, because you wouldn't make me a director. A goes to the expression. Value A goes to 1 increment and decrement chip. Value B goes to the second A to expression chip. Value A to 1 increment and decrement chip. Preferably the same order that you use for the other one, otherwise you'll get wrong answers. Same for these. Division A. 2 minutes left. I can just about go over the if then else, I think. A. So 4 to the power of -1 is going to divide it by 4. So 0.25. That, my friends, is a reciprocation. 6 is going to give you a sixth. Whereas if we divide by 0, boom, divide by power of 6. Yeah, this is pretty simple stuff. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, I'm going to quickly go over this, and I may not get a chance to do it properly. You call this if, then else. This is a different syntax. What we do here is we do value A is greater than or equal to value B. This indicator thing, and I know it's not an indicator, I hope you know what I mean. Your thing that decides whether it's going to be plus, sorry, I need to cough again. That's better. Decides what you're going to do. Now we're going to use the then, which isn't going to be this. I'll explain that after. It's not going to be the arrow. We can use the question mark. Then we're going to have value C equals 20. Actually, yeah, just have 20. And then we're going to have else, which is a colon. Going to have 0. Okay. I have run out of time.